Hi everyone, welcome to a new video series. In this video series, we will be looking at many different projects using Arduino components. And we will deal with Tinkercad simulation to demonstrate these projects. All you need to just sign up to tinkercad.com, and after you sign in, you will be in this dashboard. And then you will find these options on the left side. We will go circuits, okay, and from the circuits, if you have done some projects before, you will see all the projects listed here, but we will start with the new one. That's why I will click on this green button, new circuit. Let me talk about this interface. What you see is here on the right side, we have the materials, whatever you write, and it will directly bring it to you. So we have to write something on the search bar. When I write here Uno, it will bring me Arduino Uno. If I want to bring this Uno into the center where I'm working to do the projects, let's say I click once on the Arduino, and then I have to click one more time on the center, and now my Arduino Uno is my workspace. For the first project, we were looking at how to blink LED on the Arduino. So Arduino has a built-in LED, okay, this one, as you see. And now we will control this by the codes. And when you click on these codes, it's going to toggle the code editor. And from here, we can change the edit mode. There are three options: blocks plus text, or text. In this tutorial, we will go with the text because I'm targeting my audience to improve their C++ programming language. So while you do these projects from this video series, you will be also improving your programming skills with C++. That sounds really good. And here you learn many structures, if conditions, for loops, functions. So you deal with many variables and you can control them in the flowing codes. Right now, we have some codes that comes as a default that will already control the LED on the board. When I click on the start simulation, that will blink the LED on the Arduino. As you see, there's a loop here. Loop, it means that it repeats that thing, actions or codes over and over. That makes this all the time. So when we read the codes, it says digital write LED built-in high. So our LED built-in is already called the LED on the Arduino, and the high is also the status of the LED, and delete 1000. It means 1 second this LED will be on, and then in the following codes you might guess that if high gives the status of LED on, then the low is going to give the status of LED off. So that's going to turn it off for 1 second. So you can also see this in practice. 1 second is on, 1 second is off, okay? If you want to make this fast, you can write here 200 milliseconds. It means 0.2 seconds on, 0.2 second off. So this time it will go really fast. When I need to explain you about the part of the codes, we have two parts. In the first part, we have setup function, and in the second part, we have loop function. We talk about loop. Loop just repeats the codes written inside. The setup is the part where we declare the materials that we use inside the project. Right now, I'm planning to control this with another code. Here I'm going to introduce one variable. So I will introduce this as an integer, and I will call this LED, and then I call this number 13. By the way, whatever number you write here, and it will be only the numbers from these pins, okay, starting from 2 till 13, or A0, A1, A2, till A5. So only the pin 13 can control the LED on the board, okay? So this time, instead of LED built-ins, I can write here 13, okay? Or I can write here, instead of 13, I can write also LED, because this is the equation. LED is equal to 13, 13 is equal to LED. And I'm gonna write here 13, okay, and also 13 here. And when I run this, and same thing gonna happen also, okay? So that's also another way to write these codes. In a coming project, we will do very interesting things, and then you will be improving your C++ programming skills, and also you will deal with many different sensors, and that will also give you amazing approaches to understand the electronics. So I think that's enough for this tutorial, and hopefully we see each other in the coming one. See you later in another one.